Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Horizon English. I am David.
And I am Alice. We are so happy you are here today. How are you feeling, David?
I am feeling very energized, Alice. I had a very good morning.
Oh, did you drink a lot of coffee?
No, not just coffee. I followed my daily habits.
Habits. That is a great word. Habits are the things we do every day without thinking.
Exactly. You know what? Talking about your daily habits is the best way to practice English because these are words you can use every single morning, afternoon, and night.
Yes, and today we are going to learn how to describe your day naturally. We will speak slowly and clearly for you.
Before we start our routine, if you like learning with us, please click the like button.
And subscribe. Join our family so we can grow together. Okay, David, let's start from the beginning. The morning.
Every day starts the same way. I wake up.
Me too, David. I hope everyone wakes up. But wait, there is a difference between wake up and get up.
That is a great point, Alice. I wake up at 6 a.m. That means I open my eyes. But I get up at 6:15 a.m. That means I leave the bed.
Let's practice those two phrases. I wake up. I get up. After I get up, I make the bed. Make the bed. To be honest, David, sometimes I am too lazy to make my bed. Is that bad?
It's okay, but it's a good habit. Then I go to the kitchen and drink a glass of water.
I prefer to brush my teeth first. Let's repeat that. I brush my teeth.
And then, the most important habit for many people, I make coffee.
Oh yes, I love the smell of coffee in the morning. I drink coffee.
Next, I take a shower.
I like to take a cold shower. It wakes me up. Then I get dressed.
Get dressed. That means putting on your clothes. Let's repeat. I get dressed.
David, do you eat breakfast?
Actually, I was thinking, I usually eat something small, like an apple or some toast.
I love eggs for breakfast. After breakfast, I check my phone.
Oh, that is a common habit, checking messages or the news. But be careful, don't spend too much time on it.
You are right. I try to only check it for 5 minutes.
Now it is time for work or school. I start work at 9 a.m.
I am a student, so I start my classes in the morning. A good habit for students is to take notes.
Take notes. That means writing down important information. Let's repeat. I take notes.
David, do you ever procrastinate?
Oh, that is a big word. Procrastinate means waiting until the last minute to do work. To be honest, sometimes I do, but I try to stay focused. Stay focused. That is a very good habit. I like to take a break every hour. I walk around and stretch. Let's practice. I take a break.
After work, I like to move my body. I go for a run.
I prefer to do yoga at home. It is very relaxing. David, do you go to the gym?
Sometimes, but I prefer to exercise outside.
Let's repeat these healthy habits. I exercise.
I go for a walk.
Even a 10-minute walk is a great habit for your health.
You know what? Drinking water is the easiest habit. I try to drink 2 liters a day. In the afternoon, I prepare dinner.
Do you cook every day, David, or do you order pizza?
I try to cook a healthy meal 5 days a week. Pizza is for the weekend.
A good habit is to eat dinner with family. We talk about our day.
That is very nice. After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Ah, that is my least favorite habit. But it must be done.
Let's practice. I wash the dishes. Now the day is ending. I need to relax. I read a book.
I love reading. It helps me fall asleep. I also write in my journal.
Journal. That is a small book where you write your thoughts. Let's repeat. I write in my journal.
David, do you watch TV at night?
Sometimes I watch a movie, but I try to turn off the screens 30 minutes before bed.
That is a very smart habit. The light from the screen can make it hard to sleep.
Finally, I go to sleep.
I hope you have sweet dreams. Let's repeat. I go to sleep.
When we talk about habits, we use words like always, usually, sometimes, and never.
These are very important. For example, I always drink coffee.
Or, I never smoke. Let's practice.
I always.
I usually.
I sometimes.
I never.
David, how often do you exercise?
I usually exercise 4 times a week. What about you?
I always do yoga in the morning. It's my favorite habit.
This is the most important part. We will practice 40 sentences about daily habits.
Don't be shy. Speak out loud with us. Ready? Let's go.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I get up immediately.
I always make my bed.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
I wash my face with cold water.
I drink a big glass of water.
I make a cup of black coffee.
I eat breakfast with my family.
I get dressed for work.
I check my email in the morning.
I leave the house at 8:30.
I take the bus to school.
I start my work on time.
I listen to music while I study.
I take a short break at 10.
I eat lunch at my desk.
I try to stay focused all day.
I finish work at 5 o'clock.
I go to the grocery store.
I go for a walk in the park.
I exercise 3 times a week.
I cook dinner every evening.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I take out the trash.
I clean my room on Saturdays.
I call my parents every Sunday.
I watch the news at night.
I read a few pages of a book.
I write my plans for tomorrow.
I charge my phone overnight.
I turn off the lights.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
I fall asleep very quickly.
I usually sleep for 8 hours.
I never drink soda at night.
I sometimes take a nap.
I am trying to build good habits.
Consistency is the key to success.
Every day is a new chance.
I am proud of my progress.
Alice, we talked about good habits, but what about bad habits?
Oh, we all have them, like eating too much chocolate or sleeping too late.
To be honest, my bad habit is checking my phone in bed. It's hard to stop.
They say it takes 21 days to change a habit, so if you want to stop a bad habit, you must be patient.
That is very true. My new habit is learning 3 new English words every day.
That is a wonderful habit. Consistency is everything.
Let's give our listeners some good habits for English.
Number 1, listen to English every day, even for 10 minutes.
Number 2, speak out loud, like we do in our shadowing sections.
Number 3, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are how you learn.
And number 4, watch our videos. That's the best habit. Wow, Alice, we covered a lot of ground today.
Yes, from waking up to going to sleep. You all did an amazing job practicing with us.
Remember, your habits define your future, so make them good ones.
Actually, I was thinking our friends should share their habits with us.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what is one good habit you have?
Do you wake up early? Do you exercise? Tell us. And also, what is your favorite meal to cook for dinner?
I always want to know about the food. If you enjoyed this lesson, please click like and subscribe.
Thank you for being part of our English journey. I'm Alice.
And I'm David. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Have a productive day.